In this lecture, I'm going to talk about how to import data from a CSV file. Go over to SQL Database and expand it. Then right-click on Tables. We are going to use Table Data Import Wizard. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a wizard to select the file to import. Browse and pick the file that you want to import. I've got a download.csv file that I'm going to use. This file is also available for you to practice if you do not have a CSV file. This file contains some information about affiliate marketing. Go ahead and open it. Click Next. Next screen gives you a few options. One is to use an existing table. If you already have a table that you want to use for importing this data, then use existing table. Else, select Create New Table. It'll automatically give you the name of the file that you're importing, but you can call it whatever you want. I will call it affiliate marketing. You also have an option to drop table if it exists. If you select use existing table option, then it's going to give you another option to truncate table before import, which means it's going to clean that table and then import the data. Otherwise, it's just going to append the new data as new rows. We do not have a table, so we are going to create new table and then click on Next. In the next screen, it gives you the character encoding in the file and then list of the column names that it picks up from the first line of the CSV file. So we got the link name, link ID, advertiser name, affiliation status, referring URL, and how many clicks. It assigns the data type based on what it thinks the data is. You can change that data type if you think it has incorrectly categorized the data. Also, it shows you a preview of all the columns and the data inside it. So you can see link name, link ID, advertiser, affiliation, referring URL, and the clicks. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Next. Now in the next screen, it tells you that it's going to perform two tasks: prepare the import and import. So go ahead and click Next, and it says finish performing. Click Next to continue. Table has been created. 58 records were imported. Go ahead and finish it. Now go ahead and expand your table. If you do not see the table name, refresh all, and here's your affiliate marketing. Let's take a look at what records are in the affiliate marketing. You can do select 1000 rows. So here you can see all of your data was imported properly. So that's it. This is how you import a CSV file into your database.